The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Western Hillsborough County in western Florida, Eastern Pinellas County in western Florida. Effective until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:07 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was spotted near Tampa heading east at 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Hazard: strong winds, hail, heavy rain, and intense thunder. Be prepared for this tropical storm. Tropical Storm Eric is on the eastern Mexico coast and is expected to head to Tampa, then to Atlanta. This might be a hurricane. Please be prepared for this storm.
The National Weather Service has issued a tropical storm warning for the following areas: the western coast of Florida until 5 p.m. At 5:17 a.m., the National Weather Service has spotted a tropical storm, which is Tropical Storm Eric, that is heading directly towards Tampa. The storm is at 68-mile-per-hour winds. That is so close to being a hurricane. If this is a hurricane, you need to have supplies and take shelter. Tropical Storm Eric has already impacted 2 countries. The storm is capable of very high winds. The storm will damage roofs and other house properties and will be destroyed. The National Weather Service is expecting you to find a safe place to stay safe.
Welcome to the Florida Weather Channel. This here, we are in a situation in a tropical storm named Tropical Storm Eric that is expected to make landfall at 1 p.m. And it is 5 a.m. You still have time to prepare. But at 11 a.m. all the stores are going to shut down and close due to the storm making landfall. So you have 6 hours to prepare.
That is right. We have a storm that is brewing north to Florida. We expected it to go to the western part of Florida and hit Tampa, but it's hitting 12 miles west off of the city of Miami. We have no signs of tornadoes yet. But there is a tornado watch in effect in Florida. We believe that the storm spawned 96 miles off of Africa's west coast. And it became a tropical storm 42 miles east off of Puerto Rico. This is the Tropical Storm Eric path. The blue dot is where it is right now. Oh no. And you see that purple line on Florida. That is an indication of a Category 7 hurricane. Oh no. Tropical Storm Eric is now Hurricane Eric. Everyone listen, please be safe. The tropical storm warnings are now hurricane warnings. Winds have reached 75 miles per hour. But it will get much worse when it makes landfall. Okay. We are going to take a small break. We will be tracking the live coverage with you. And now, we'll be back after the break.
The National Weather Service has issued a civil emergency message for the following areas, all of Florida State. Effective until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:57 Eastern Standard Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a hurricane heading north at 15 miles per hour. Residents in the Fort Myers area have boarded their homes to protect flying debris from this hurricane. Hurricane warnings are in effect for the west, south, and east part of Florida effective until 6:30 p.m. Hurricane Eric is expected to hit Florida as a Category 5 storm. Eric is supposed to be a Category 6 and 7 storm when it reaches Orlando. Please be prepared for a very deadly hurricane. Please keep the radio on for Fort Myers radio station. The Fort Myers Police Department are saying many residents are reported damaged. Winds are currently at 101 miles per hour. We will keep you updated.
The Bonita Springs weather has gotten severe. Many residents in the county of Miami-Dade are saying hurricane conditions are starting to rise. They are also saying 12,000 citizens in southern Florida have lost power. The National Weather Service
The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the following areas, all of South Florida. Effective until 7:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the National Weather Service has announced a tsunami that is located 103 miles south of Florida. Due to the high wind speeds, waves are getting higher. Also, the rain is causing flooding in Florida. The Bonita Springs Police Department are going through the area one more time before Hurricane Eric makes landfall. Hurricane Eric is now officially a Category 4 storm. Winds are really severe. Water temperatures are getting warmer. As the hurricane increased, the tsunami will hit from 6:40 a.m. to 7:05 a.m. This will cause massive flooding. The winds are really heavy. Please stay tuned.
Hello everyone. I know we just got an alert saying there is a tsunami. But the storm is now a Category 5. Now the power
The National Weather Service has issued an extreme wind warning for the following counties: Broward, Collier, Miami-Dade, Monroe, and Palm Beach. Effective until 6:58 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a wind wave was reported 13 south of Miami. This will bring 265 mile-per-hour winds. Hurricane Eric is expected to make landfall in 15 minutes. The Florida governor has also declared the entire state of Florida into a state of emergency. Please take cover now. A shelter-in-place warning is in effect for southern Florida effective until 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please take shelter. We will be back when the storm has blown away.